welcome back to my channel. My name is Shay, and if you're new at my channel is about cooking, entrepreneurship, my life. So if you're interested in any of those, and motivation, I'm gonna give you some motivation at the end. If you're interested in any of that, click that notification, subscribe, become part of the fam. So today in this video, you know, I got my little pink outfit on today. I got my little pink shirt on today because we going into Valentine's, we're going to February, okay? So, you know, the month of love, the month of, Valentine's Day and all those fun things. So in this video, you're gonna see some behind the scenes of my gift boxes. So I'm an entrepreneur. My business is DivineKuizine. And what DivineKuizine is, or what my business is, or what I sell, is I sell sauces and mixes. My sauces are more like the Caribbean flavors or New Orleans, and then we have pancake mixes. So we have like jerk rubs, jerk sauce, mango barbecue sauce. We have pancake mix, regular and gluten-free, a sugar spice, aroma lot. Things of that nature. So check out my website at DivineKuizine.com. I have various recipes to show you how to use the products, what would be good on the products. Also, I have lots of recipes on this channel as well as me using DivineKuizine products. So we're getting ready to go into Valentine, and on my website we always have different discounts, exclusive discounts for our subscribers. So go ahead and go over to DivineKuizine.com. You should see somewhere on here the website. Also, you should see it in the description. You can just click that link. If you go over there, sign up, so you're always informed when we have discounts. I will have some type of discount for Valentine's Day on our gift boxes and our sauces and good things of that nature. And then also you can get some ideas on it. You know, if you got your husband or your partner, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, or whatever, or your girls, you get some good cocktails, some good desserts, a nice meal, and things of that nature. So go ahead and check me out over there. So let's get into it. Hey y'all, what's going on? Shay here. So in part of this vlog, we're gonna be doing unboxing videos. So I thought it would be cool to bring you guys along and kind of give you some of the BTS behind the scenes of kind of what I do to do my unboxings. So these unboxings are for, of course, DivineKuizine, my company. We're in my office right now. The two that I'm going to do today, one is called the cookout box, and in the cookout box I'll kind of give you guys what it looks like. Okay, so it comes like a gift box, so it looks like a little bow, a little gift. It has the DivineKuizine logo on it, sticker on it, and then you have like, comes in black because of course our colors are black and gold. So you get like a little box. I think it's really cute. Little gift box that you come. So if you're giving this and gifting this to someone, it's really cute for them. You know, they're like, oh, I'm getting a gift. You know, you open it with the little bow that you get with it, and you have all your products inside. So this is kind of what our branding box, our gift box looks like. You get two products. So you're gonna get the mango barbecue sauce and the remoulade sauce. And the reason why I paired these two together, because of course you're grilling, you're barbecuing your meats with the barbecue sauce. The mango barbecue sauce is spicy, it's sweet, it's everything that you want for a barbecue sauce to be: smoky, sweet, spicy, everything that you would want. It's also all natural. There's no cornstarch or fructose or any of those things in there. And also, a lot of people have used this like for other things, like they've used it for their meatloafs, like where, you know, your ketchup sauce would go. They use it for meatloafs, marinades. I have various recipes on what you could do with this sauce on DivineKuizine.com. And then we have the remoulade sauce, and the good pairing of this, your potato salad, your pasta salads. It's a dressing, it's a condiment. So when you're making your smoked meats and your barbecue meats or whatever, or your salads, this is a great condiment. So the pair go very good together. So I have both of those in this cookout box. Also, what you get in the cookout box is you'll get like some tongs or a basting brush. So either one, let me show you. I'm sorry. You get some tongs or a basting brush. One of those will come in the box as well. And then you also will get a pot holder. You know, you need a pot holder if things are hot when you're grilling or whatever. It's always good. So you get some type of cute pot holder. It may not necessarily be this one, but we have various pot holders that you'll be able to get. Some of them may have our branding on it. Some of them may come like this. It just depends. And then you get a 10% discount card. So you'll get that as well. For your next order, you can get 10% off your next order. So keep that. It doesn't expire. You just scan this. I mean, once you scan it, it expires, but you know, it doesn't expire. You'll always be able to have it, so there's no limitations on that. And then you'll get a recipe card. Let me get the other one. You get 2 recipe cards, so you get a recipe card. This one has our mango barbecue ribs on it, so you get a recipe card, as well as you'll get our good Cajun potato salad for your remoulade. So that's what you get in that gift box. Then the other gift box that I'm going to be taping today is called our jerk box. And so in that one, in our jerk box, you'll get the jerk seasoning in it. This is like a red rub. This is very good and very popular, where you'll be able to, this is like authentic. So it's gonna be your authentic jerk, like when you go to Jamaica or whatever. It's spicy, it's hot, but it's not too hot where it's just gonna burn your mouth. It has the right amount of flavors. Again, all my products are all natural. So there's no artificial, you know, coloring or sweeteners or preservatives in them. So you'll get that. And also you'll get our jerk sauce. So our jerk sauce is made with tamarind. So tamarind, you know, can be made as sweeter. So it can be made with like, if you're not familiar with tamarind, you know, usually in the Caribbeans, they can use it for candies or just another sweetener. So this one is sweet and hot, sweet and spicy. And this is more, you can marinate with this also, but this is a good base. So I've done jerk ribs with this. I've done jerk pot roast. I've done jerk lamb chops. So definitely check me out on DivineKuizine.com and get some of the recipes, because I'm always making recipes for these products. So we have the jerk sauce and the jerk rub. These are great together because you can get a little bit of that spice and marinate your meat in this, and then put this as your base, your glaze, or whatever recipes that you see, more recipes you see on my website. And with that one, same deal. You'll get 2 recipe cards, one for the jerk sauce, one for the jerk rub. So you'll get 2 recipe cards, and you'll get the 10% discount, like I showed you before, the 10% discount card. And in that one, you'll get like a basting, you get a basting brush, so you'll be able to, you know, base your meats or marinate your meats in that. So that's what you get in that one. So it's a really good, you know, good gift. You get recipes, that person will get a recipes, 10% off their next purchase, like a gift card, like a 10% discount. Also, they'll get some type of utensil, you know, to cook their food with. And also, of course, the best part is 2 products in one. So yeah, so now I'm getting ready. I've kind of like talked about what the gift boxes are. So now I'm just gonna show you like behind the scenes on how I'm going to be getting these unboxings. So let's get ready to get into that. So basically how I set up is I just have my phone kind of tilted down. Nothing fancy, just a tripod in my phone. So nothing fancy. And then I have, you know, I'll have some good lighting, and then I'm just going to film everything here of what the unboxing looks like. So real simple, nothing fancy. Okay, and inside my box, like I said, it's black and gold. So inside the box, I have gold tissue paper. And so I'm just gonna put everything in there. So I'm gonna unbow it, because I need to put everything, kind of put everything in there. See, I have gold wrapping in there. And so then I'm going to place the mango barbecue sauce. Let me shake it up a little bit. The mango barbecue sauce. I mean, not the mango, the remoulade sauce. The mango barbecue sauce is gonna go in there. And then we're going to have our card about us. And then I'm going to place these 2 cards in there, recipe cards. I'll place in there the tongs and the pot holder, and then I'm going to put the DivineKuizine paper in here. Do it right. I always kind of get a little hiccup here. Okay. Take it and tie it in a bow. Okay, y'all, let's do a quick unboxing on this DivineKuizine jerk box, and the flavor is already jumping out the box. First thing I'm pulling out is the jerk sauce, smoky, tangy, and packed with the Caribbean spice and tamarind flavor. This is perfect for basting, glazing, or finishing your meats. Next, I'm pulling out that jerk seasoning, hot, spicy, and a little sweetness, inspired by traditional Jamaican jerk. This rub works on chicken, pork, lamb, goat, and seafood. One seasoning and you're instantly cooking with island energy. And look, they didn't just stop at sauces. This box comes with tongs and a basting brush, so you're ready to cook right away. There's also an exclusive recipe card to guide you, plus 10% gift card for your next order, because who doesn't love a little bonus? This bundle is bold, tangy, spicy, keto, and vegan friendly. If you're ready to bring Caribbean flavor straight to your kitchen, grab your DivineKuizine bundle box. Okay, y'all, so I'm getting ready to season this chicken. All my seasonings. I got a little season, you name it. You know, we got to get our chicken nice and seasoned. It smells so good. And I ain't had no whole chicken wings in a long time. So we're going to take this chicken, we're going to shake it up. DivineKuizine complete and fluffy pancake mix. I put 2 cups of that in this bowl. And then we're gonna just take some tablespoons of the cocoa powder. So we're just gonna go ahead and whisk everything together and mix our wet ingredients. So we have some buttermilk here. I have 1 3/4 cup of buttermilk. Then we got 2 eggs. We got a 1/2 teaspoon of vinegar. Regular distilled vinegar. Red velvet wouldn't be red velvet without red food coloring. That in there. All right, y'all, so we're getting ready to mix these together. Butter was in the microwave, so I'm gonna pour it in right now. But you know, usually you would put this with your wet ingredients. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was short and sweet. You got to see a little bit of behind the scenes of how I kind of work trying to videotape or do some short form, you know, for my gift boxes. I talked a little bit about the website, and I gave you some good recipes, suggested recipes. So yeah, leave some comments, go over, become a subscriber, follow me on all my other social medias, and let me know if you want to see some more entrepreneurial behind the scenes things. I can give those, or more. I can give also some more of like what was the beginning, how I started, and give some more stuff on those type of videos as well. So I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day, or even a self-care day. Love yourself. You ain't got to have friends to go out with or a man. You know, you can still always just love yourself. Love yourself. That's the best thing. That's the motivation I'm gonna give y'all. Self-care, love yourself. Always treat yourself like number one, because you are number one. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's, Galentine's Day, or just wonderful month. Love is in the air. Love yourself all month. Love y'all. Shay.